Alrighty, we have the cheapest reed valve kit I found on eBay arrived today. We're gonna cut into it and see just what it is I bought. Right, it's an interesting looking gasket we've got there. Doesn't appear that we have any broken reeds. The casting feels good. Right. So there's our gasket, which is ordinary. Look, at least this isn't immediately going to get in the way. Alright, we're going to go fetch some tools and we're going to crack into that. I'm a little annoyed, with the offset, but we'll just have to see how it fits on the bike. Obviously they need that offset because that's longer than the standard intake. Got our digital verniers here. First thing I want to do, this is close enough to 19, this makes no difference. 15.5mm, 16mm inside. Onwards. Let's crack into this. So 4mm. As we were. 1, 2, let's keep these all together. Spring washer, flat washer. Right. Now looking in here, there's a bit of junk, but it doesn't look that bad. There doesn't appear to be any casting deficits. I think if we are ever going to get a leak, it'll be in that join there. But we can gum that up with some JB if we need to. Okay, so there are the reeds. Now let's try and take these out. Gently. Alright, and there we have it. Now, they are really quite very brittle, so I don't want to force them out. But it doesn't appear that anything's broken, which is good. Now, to mount this case onto the bike, onto the engine, it will be these bad boys thrown in there. I was concerned that the bolts would interfere with the reeds, but they really won't. So it shouldn't matter if they're all the way to the outside or all the way to the inside. So the only thing really left for me to do is to try and size it up and stick it on the bike. Now, there's a few things I want to do before then, which is do a little test ride stock. Then we're going to try and mount this to the bike, and if all goes well with that, we'll do a test ride again with the reeds, see what the tune looks like. And then the only real way to get the most out of a reed valve is by windowing the piston. So ultimately what I'm going to be doing is trying to window my own piston. So that's coming up very, very shortly. But I'm excited about this project. I wasn't expecting this to arrive until after Christmas, which is very cool. So stay tuned for the upcoming reed valve installation.